Section B. Parallel and perpendicular lines. If two lines are parallel, then the two slopes are equal. L1 parallel to L2, then M1 equals M2. The other way round is also correct. If M1 equals M2, then L1 is parallel to L2. For perpendicular lines, if two lines are perpendicular, then the product of the slopes would be equal to -1. If L1 is perpendicular to L2, then M1 times M2 equals -1. The other way round is also correct. So if M1 times M2 equals -1, then L1 is perpendicular to L2. Let's look at review exercise for question 4. In the figure, PQ is a line segment with slope 2/7. Determine whether the following line segments are parallel to PQ. Part A, AB. Let's find the slope of AB. Slope of AB is 2/7, which equals slope of PQ. So therefore, AB is parallel to PQ. Part B. Let's find the slope of CD. Slope of CD is 1/8, which is not equal to the slope of PQ. Therefore, CD is not parallel to PQ. Next, we'll look at point of division. First of all, we have the midpoint formula. M is the midpoint of AB. We can find the coordinates of point M. The x-coordinate of point M equals the sum of the x-coordinates of AB, which are the two endpoints, divided by 2. The y-coordinate of point M is the sum of the y-coordinates of the two endpoints AB divided by 2. This is called the midpoint formula. We also have learned the section formula for internal division. So P is the internal point of division of AB such that AP to PB is R to S. Then the coordinates of P is given by x1 times S plus x2 times R. Divided by the sum of the ratio R plus S. Similarly, for the y-coordinate of P, we take y1 times S plus y2 times R divided by R plus S. This is known as the section formula for internal division. Let's look at one example of how to make use of this section formula for internal division. Review exercise 4, question 9b. P is a point on the line segment AB and AP to PB equals 1 to 3. Coordinates of A are -3, -8. Coordinates of B are 7, -16. So let me draw a very rough sketch of these 2 points AB as well as point P. The coordinates of point P, we take -3, which is the x-coordinate of A, times 3. Then we use 7 which is the x-coordinate of B times 1. And AB has been divided into 1 plus 3, that means 4 portions. We will do similar things with the y-coordinates of A and B. So we get the coordinates of P, -1/2, -10.